and today we're going to be looking at Canva tutorial. So I'm going to be taking you guys through all about Canva, and we're going to be creating few designs with you guys and show you guys what Canva is used for and how you can get stunning designs from Canva. So welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Vixie, and if you're new here, I basically talk about making money online and then tips and tricks on scaling your business online. And if you're interested in topics like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a video you're gonna get notified. What I want you guys to do first of all is to go down to the description of this video. What I want you guys to do now is to now come to the description of this video. Let me just show you guys an example. Then click on where it says canva.com. You're going to see it in the first link here, so you should click on it and then it's going to take you to the interface of Canva. Okay guys, so it's going to bring you to this place here, and then what you're basically going to do is you come to this place, but here where it says create a design, your one is going to be showing a sign up. Yeah, so you're just going to click on sign up, and then it's going to give you forms to sign up, and it's very simple and straightforward, guys. So all you have to do is just to put up your name and then your email address, and then they're going to send you a verification code, and then you're just going to click on verify inside your mailbox, and then it brings you to this page here, this interface here. Now yours, you're not going to see this recent design because your own is going to be very new and you probably haven't done any design yet. But you can see I have done so many designs here. So you can basically use Canva for so many things, guys. You can use Canva for so many designs, and it really makes your workflow very easy. So let me show you guys now what we have today, what we're going to be creating. So guys, using Canva, it's very simple and easy. So all you have to do now when you want to make a design is that you just come to this search bar and then click on whatever you want to design about. So I was searching about barbershop. So let's say, okay, let's search about barbershop now and then see, and let's see what's going to pop out. So you can see there are so many templates here. If you want to design for barbershop, you can see if you want to design flyers for barbershop, you can see you can just type in flyers for barbershop and it's going to come out. And so you can see so many things. Look at this form, look at this fine design, and the beautiful thing about this thing is that you can modify it. So let's try to modify. Let's say, okay, this one, let's click on it. Just click on what you want to modify, and then it brings you to this place where you're going to modify everything, guys. You have control over everything. So let me show you guys how to do this. So now let's say we want to change this picture. What we're going to do is just to click on this particular picture and then right click, and then we delete it, and then we put our own picture. Now let me show you guys how to put your own picture. You come to this corner here where it says templates and elements and so on and so forth. So you see this upload, you now click on upload, and then here when you click on upload file, it's going to take you to your files where you're going to be able to upload whatever you have in your computer. So let me show you guys how to do it. So when I click on upload, it takes me to my computer to choose the file I want to upload. So let's say I come to desktop, and let me go to where I have my picture. So I'm sure you guys are enjoying the video. All I want you guys to do is like the video to help the algorithm, and if you're getting value from the video, subscribe. Okay, so if you want to upload anything, basically what you do is just click on it and then click on open, and then you see it's going to upload here. You see it's uploading. Or if you want it to be very easy, all you have to do is just to go to your computer and then drag an image and then bring it here, and then it's gonna upload. So that is the same thing you're going to do. So now let me show you guys how to put up a picture. Let's say this picture here, want to use it for the barber, or let's say, okay, this girl. So we just click on it. Let me show you guys something. So if let's say you want to this particular image here, let's drag it. All you have to do is just click on it and then drag it, and then it goes up. Okay, let's say this particular image here, you can see it's at the back of this girl. So you can, if this girl, let's say, okay, you want to take the girl back, all you have to do is just right click on it and then say send back, and then it goes back. Okay, it goes back of this picture. You click on it again, and then you say send back, and then you see it has taken her back of this background here, this image here. So okay, we want her to come front. All you have to do is just to bring front, and then you see she's already in the front. And you can do so many things with this. All you have to do is just to edit it to your own taste, and then you're good to go. So you see here where it says barbershop, and then price list, and then haircut, and so on. You could just edit it the way you want. The price, okay, let's say we want this the regular price to be $20. All you have to do is just click on 20, and then yes, it has shown you $20. And if you want to, let's say, zoom up, just come here where it says zoom, and then it's going to zoom. So you have close sights to what you're doing. So you can see, you can change everything here. Okay, let's say $20 here. So we're gonna put $100 sign here. So you can see, you could just change everything you have here. So here you can just change your email or the link to your website here. Let's say, okay, my website should be Vixy. So what you have, you just say, yeah, Vixy.com. So that's my website. And then your Gmail, yeah, your Gmail, you can change your Gmail too. Let's say my Gmail should be Vixy, yeah, Vixy, yeah, okay, yeah, at Gmail. You understand how to just put it, guys. So that's just it. So you can do virtually so many things with this. Now let me show you guys. Okay, let's say, okay, now for the ladies, let's go make something for the ladies. Let's say now if you're a lady and then you want to make up a flyer for your makeup artist, your makeup artist, and you want to make a flyer for makeup. So all you have to do is just to come here and then type in and makeup. You can see it has even come out, and then you just click on it, and voila, it brings you, it has given you so many options here to start makeup, to either do a flyer or just do something for your brand. So you see, but now guys, I want you to take notice of some of these things. You see here where it says pro, and here where it says dollar, it means you have to pay or you have to upgrade to the pro version before you can get access to this templates. But guys, you can see there are so many templates here that are free. You can see this, all of these ones that do not have these things, they are all free. So do not be disturbed about if you don't have some that are free or some that yeah, do not just be disturbed, because you have so many alternatives that you can use here, and then you can just increase your creativity. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So there are actually so many things you can do. Okay, you can even see here logo, where it says logo. You just click on logo. So here you have options to get your logo done. You have options to get your logo done, and it's actually very simple, guys. Okay, so now let's say, okay, you have finished your design. Let's go back. Let's say you finish your design. Go to home, or you want to go back, click on home. Let's say, okay, you finish your design, and okay, let's look at one of the design. Okay, let's say this is our design that we're doing. Let's say we finish it, we're happy with this design, and we want to export it to our computer. All you have to do is just to come here where it says shift, and then you see where it says download. You just click on download. So now it's going to give you options for in how you want to remove this. You want to remove it as a PDF or PDF print or a video, because you could actually make videos with this, guys. A GIF, a JPG, but the recommended image format is PNG, guys. So you just click on the PNG, and then you click on download, and it's simply going to download to your computer. Yes, you can see, so we have done our image, and then you can now send it, you can now upload it to wherever you want to upload it, or whoever you want to send it to. You are now a graphic designer. You could actually start doing graphics for people, and then they pay you, because I've actually done some graphics, some work for people, and they've actually paid me using Canva. I didn't even stress myself. I just came to Canva, I edited what they wanted, and then they paid me, guys. So you can use this tool to do so many things, guys, and that is one beautiful thing about it. So now let's go to video, because some of you might be asking for video. And let's say we want to make a mobile video, let's say, yeah, just for our Instagram or Facebook, or Instagram reel, or YouTube shorts. So you can see here we have a plain video. All we have to do is just to click on what we want, just click on this plus, and then yes, it brings it here for you. So you just draw this arrow. Yes, you can see this arrow. Sorry, I don't know why it's lagging. Okay, so you can see it is drawn back, and then you just click on play, and you can see it's playing. So all you have to do now is just to change the right tops. Let's see, okay, walk out. Yeah, so you can see visitors walk out, and then when you click on play, when you draw it back and click on play, you can see it comes out fixes walkout. And you have so many options to change this video in particular. And yeah, you can delete it, and you see, so you're left with this. You can delete, you have options to delete so many things and add up so many things. So now, guys, let me come to this element. You see this element, this is where you're going to be adding, like, let's say, yeah, elements of so many elements. You can just type in what you're looking for here, and it's gonna come out. Let's say, okay, YouTube, let's just type in YouTube. We're looking for YouTube, and then let's click on this, and you can see YouTube has come out here. And you can just do so many things. It's very flexible, guys, and it's very easy for beginners to use. So guys, that is basically what you can do with Canva. So guys, that is a wrap on Canva tutorial. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.